Hey guys, it's Kyle here, and I'm doing a quick unboxing on a jersey that I got today. So we got the NFL logo, Jaguar logo stitched, teal outlining, 27, Nike logo right there, 27, teal right there, and some black. You got 27 right here, Nike logo right there. Same thing on this side, size 2X. And this jersey is of, if you're a Jags fan, you probably know who it is. This jersey is of Leonard Fournette. It's a Vapor Limited, by the way. As you can see right here, Fournette on the back, 27, right there. And this is my first Jaguars Vapor Limited jersey. Happy to have it. And yeah, that pretty much concludes this video. Just a video for a quick jersey that I got today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And hopefully soon Doug Peterson will not be the Jaguars head coach. I don't know what Shad's waiting for, but whatever. Hopefully Ben Johnson is our next head coach. Anyway, go Jags, and peace.